Looking so good. Let's go.
I'm ready.
Oh my god, look at this. That's a lot of leg. Okay, I'll fix that. Rofu.
Rofu? I'm a sushi master. What?
What?
What? What was that? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. This is cheating. This is just simply cheating.
This fight better than any fighting game. Hi. Okay. Hello. Alright, let me actually tilt myself forward a little bit and look forward.
This is behind the scenes, people.
Yes. I'm sorry, I have no leg.
Oh. Here.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay,
Awesome.
hold on.
And will you give me nice sexy legs? Let's see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you some nice sexy legs. You just gotta hold on.
I'm so ready.
Okay, this is gonna be cursed image for a second. Just bear with me, people.
What are you talking about cursed? It's blessed.
It's cursed. There's no other way to say it. I'm sorry. Here you go.
Oh, that's a lot of leg. Okay, I'll fix that. Let me just kick back a little bit.
Yeah, you like your legs, Ichi. Like right there.
I'm just posing. I wish I was able to like put my hands behind my head or something and just kind of, like,
yeah, I know,
just,
right?
like, just chilling. Rofu.
Rofu?
That's what it says.
Rofu. Yeah,
Is
I'm
that
so
like
excited.
Roku Kung Fu? Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is. Don't worry about
Let's
it.
go.
No, we were playing draw battle earlier. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh. Dun. I already gotta fight animals.
Let's go.
What?
I'm going to do this because
Dude, this reminds me of like my childhood. I loved like gaming, like fight games, even though I was terrible at them. I'm a fighter.
I'm gonna turn on gamer mode now. Give me 1 second. I've got the is it gonna work? Yeah. Let's get some.
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
Those are some cool glasses you got on, bro.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Let's go.
No, I can't move though because it's
It looks bad. Why doesn't it attach to you? Yeah, you got him. Yeah, you got this. You got this, bro. You got
I
it.
don't turn off your light.
Oh my god, the screen is black.
Don't worry about it. It's gonna change. Alright, let me just skip all this. I know.
I know. And don't forget to take off the glasses from OBS. Hello,
No, don't worry. It's just like that. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Alright, Ichigo, 3D. Let's go. Speed run. Speed run. There we go. And then I'll stick myself on top. And now what I can do is if I take this off, I can do props. And I can now I'm in gamer mode.
Are you ready to get your booty taken? Wait, this sounds so bad.
I'm sorry. My heart isn't prepared. Alright, let me switch this over. Hold on.
There we go. Looking good.
Alright. Looking so good. Let's go.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, let me
Okay, so how do we start the game?
Boop. There we go. Alright. How do we start the game?
Yeah.
Let's see. So, let me go over to, let me just make sure that I'm looking good in here. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. I'm gonna move everything over to the left here. Beautiful. Sorry. I'm just trying to move everything. This is why it takes for me to do my own streams.
No problem.
We go to versus, and then
okay.
player versus player. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going into it. I guess 3 rounds, and then time 99 I'll do. I have no idea. I just picked a random one. Egg dog is so intimidating. Look at that kick.
Yeah.
I guess we'll do.
I'll
Let's
roll
do the
over
dojo.
you. It'll be the most pain you've ever experienced. Yeah.
Oh. Crack you. Crack you like an egg dog. Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, what the heck?
That's so cute.
Ow!
Wait.
Wait, how do I?
Come on.
Ah, no, back away.
What's up? It's X to punch. Oh no, you're. Nope.
Ah! Oh god! Ah! Oh, what the frick is that? That was disgusting. Ah, bang, bang, bang. No. No! Oh,
Juggle,
KO.
let's go.
Damn it! Ah!
I can't do that. I can't do the sound effects anymore. So I'm just gonna use my hand.
Ah!
Oh, there we go.
Wait, what is? What?
What?
What was that? Ew.
I don't know.
What did I just poop out?
It was an egg. At least it seemed like it.
Run away. Ew. Come on. What other moves do I got? That's it? Oh god, I'm dead. Fucking KO.
Whoop.
Man, Egg Dog sucks. I'm gonna blame it on Egg Dog.
This fight better than any fighting game.
Wait, what happened?
Oh my god, Game of Snacks. It's a boxer. Shut up.
Yeah, you just beat me
Oh
because
my.
you're a boxer. Like,
Let's do. Alright, I'll do Magic Scroll then. Let's see.
Magic Scroll. Watch. Ichi just kicked my ass again.
It's a Magic Scroll, don't worry about it. Alright, what do we want to do for a stage?
Let's see.
Ooh.
Let's see this one.
Alright, let's go. I love it just spazzes out for the
Magic Scroll. I
The
swear you're
first
gonna
one.
kick my butt again.
long cat is long. Wow, I haven't said that's an old name.
That's a long cat. Ow. Stop! Stop Hadokening me! I can't even jump in time!
Quarter circle punch, let's go.
Stop! What is my moveset? I can't even fight! Why are you so freaking good at this, Ichi?
I have no idea. This is literally the first time I've ever played it.
Stop! I can't even hit you! Oh my god!
Goodbye.
I'm dead.
No, you're a cat. Yeah.
I'm
You
just
have no
getting my
knives, don't worry about it.
finished. What is your moveset, Slender Cat? What did you even do?
Goodbye.
Uh.
I have no idea what any of the movesets are,
Good skill.
but... What the...
What was that?
Excuse me?
I mean, I'd do it again if I could.
Oh my Rommel. Shinderu.
Oh my god, Magic Scroll kicked my ass, man. Ah! No, this isn't fair! What is this? Dude, Slender Cat, I don't even know what Slender Cat does.
Any of these buttons do anything? Okay, no, this is a very simplified...
Ow.
Can I?
Is that all I do?
Whatever.
Wow.
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 Wow. Wow.
Why don't all the ones I played just suck?
Let's do a rematch. Let's go.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's the
no.
same one? Oh, we're...
No, no.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Let's go back. Let's change different characters. Hold on. Can we...
Look the way
Can
I
we go back?
I know, you just kind of have to kick my butt again. How can you? How dare you? Like, see, my moves don't even hit you! Ah!
Are there any throwing moves? I don't even know if there are any throwing moves. Let's see.
Why don't you let me win for once, Ichi?
What?
I said let me win for
I'm a
once.
squirrel. I'm a squirrel. Don't worry. Gotta be quicker than that.
Oh my god, what is the Smoller goal? Ah! No! Don't kick my butt! No, this isn't fair, Ichi! This isn't fair! Back away! Back away! No! Don't stab it! Don't kick! This is cheating. This is just simply cheating. This is just unheard of. This is just absolutely horrible, okay? This is not fair. You're gonna last minute kick my ass. No! Don't you dare! No! I'm literally trying so hard to win! No! Don't!
Goodbye.
Gee, you're just messing with me!
I got the gamma glasses. That's what
No! Just kill me. I'm done. Just go. Just finish
it is.
me.
No mercy for the birthday girl. No mercy. Oh, actually, you're doing pretty good. Ow.
I don't have any other movesets. Oh, what the fuck? Whoa! What was that? I don't even know.
Oh no, I'm
Ow!
on you.
Ow! Oh, ow. Ow! Oh no! You're freaking a token! That's so cheap, man. No, 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 no.
I don't have any air dashes or nothing.
Can I win for once, please? No, please! Yes! I did it! I
wasn't even paying
I
attention.
did it.
Rip.
Holy cow. Okay, final round, buddy. Oh, shoot. Ah.
Okay, now it's serious time.
Ah! No! No, 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 no! God damn it. No! Ah. Oh, wow.
What the hell was that?
Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa! Wow, this is actually intense! No! E.T. No, E.T. No, don't do this to me.
Nope. Okay. Nope.
No! No, don't kill me! I will let you win! I will let you win! No!
Alright, let's go back to the
I
game.
didn't know how to activate. I didn't know how to activate it. Okay.
Let's see. Okay, who should I be next?
I think
Kung Fu
I don't
Dachshund.
think she knows how. Yeah. I'm gonna be the freaking beluga.
Okay, let's go ahead. I think it's A.
I'm using the
Let's see.
PS2 controller, so I don't know.
Then it's X. Let's use the. Let's go to the other thing.
Fight me, I'm a beluga.
I don't know, because it tells like a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. The outfit. I love the outfit.
I'm a sushi master. What?
thing.
What?
Get wrecked.
I couldn't even move. I am so appalled. No, stop hitting me. No, what is this? He's even better as a dog. This isn't fair. No, no. Why am I so bad at this game? Oh my god.
You know, I'm feeling sushi tonight.
No! No, 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 no,
That's crazy. I love that. Wanna go again? Let's see. Rematch. You want to rematch or bet the gamer?
no.